No. Trip, what are you doing in there? Really? Are you going to help me put the dishes in? Trip. Why did you climb up there? Really? Huh. Hey. Trip, look at me. Look at me. What are you doing in there? You're gonna fall. Stop it. Trip. No. Alright, let's get down. Trip, it's time to get out of there. Trip. Okay. I'm going to get you on myself.